Nature Spy. Written by Shelley Rotner and Ken Kreisler. Photographs by Shelley Rotner. I like to go outside, to look around and discover things. To take a really close look. Even closer and closer. My mother says I'm a curious kid. She calls me a nature spy. Sometimes I look so closely I can see the lines on a shiny green leaf. Or one small acorn on a branch. Or seeds in a pod. I notice the feathers of a bird. Or the golden eye of a frog. When you look closely, things look so different. Like the bark of a tree or an empty hornet's nest. The seeds of a sunflower, or even a rock. Sometimes there's a pattern, like ice on a frozen pond. Or a spider's web, or a butterfly's wing. Everything has its own shape, color, and size. Look closely at a turtle's shell. Or a dog's fur. Or even raspberries. Or kernels of corn. No matter where you look, up, down, or all around, there's always something to see when you're a nature spy.